Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I already did almost everything off camera. Eyebrows, it's still the same. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. For primer, I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. I use the shade Casablanca and Ibiza. To set my face, I use the Pretty Vulgar Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder, and I set my whole face with this. And I also added it to bake. To bronze up my face, I use the Give Me Sun from MAC. For concealer, I use the Too Faced Born This Way Radiant Creamy Concealer in light medium. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye. Okay, so for eyeshadows, I'm gonna use 3 different palettes. I'll be using the James Charles palette, the Huda Neon Obsessions palette in pink and in orange. The first shade I'm gonna go into is 518. I'm gonna mix this one and this one together. This one is B, and I'm gonna add that on the crease. So the next shade I'm gonna go into is a red shade. It's You're Kidding. This one, this red shade. I'm gonna put that on the crease. I'm gonna go back in with 518 and B, which is the yellow and the orange shade, to blend these out. Now I'm gonna go into the same James Charles palette and go in with this shade, which is Bean, and I'm gonna take this right into the crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna use this concealer from It's the Bye Bye Under Eye, and this one is in light. Alright, so I went ahead and cut my crease. The first shade I'm gonna go into is from the Huda Orange Neon Obsessions palette. I'm gonna go in with this yellow one. Next shade I'm gonna go into is this one and this one. And I'm also gonna start blending the yellow and this orange together. Now I'm gonna take the pink Neon Obsessions palette and I'm gonna go into this hot pink. I'm gonna also start blending these 2 shades together. So now I'm gonna go in with the dark brown that I used, which was No Beans, and add that to the outer corner. And blend that with the pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liquid liner and my lashes off camera, and I will be alright guys. So while I was off camera, I went ahead and also added the glitter liner. So this doesn't have a name. It's just a gold glitter liner. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go in with the first shades that I grabbed, which was the orange and yellow, which was 518 and B from the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna mix both of them together. And now I'm gonna go in with the dark brown that I used, which was No Beans, also from the James Charles palette. And I'm gonna grab this one with a flat top brush. So now I'm just gonna take like all this bake off. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush. The shade is Something About Berry. It's this one, and I'm just gonna swirl my brush in there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with some of the Evian's facial spray. So for highlight, I'm gonna go into the Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just gonna take a fan brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the MAC Cork lip liner. And then I'm also gonna go in with the Verona liquid lip. This is from Ofra. And I'm also gonna do my bottom lash line mascara with the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. I'm also gonna put some of this Evian's facial spray on the Beauty Blender. And I am gonna go on top of where I highlighted. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!